Okay, good morning everyone. So what we're trying to make right now or to cook right now is the what we call the sweet and sour sauce. So here's what we're going to do. So first is you have to add vinegar.
Silver Swan vinegar.
Preferably for me it's silver swan because it has the taste of what I'm looking for. Then we have a little bit of soy sauce. So I don't really believe in some measurements because everybody has their own, um, you know, kind of tastes. So maybe the measurement of something or someone is different from the other one. So they may have different tastes. So I will also be adding a little bit of banana ketchup. Okay. Then, of course, to make it sweet, we have to add our sugar. So, tansya lang. Okay. Then, we're going to taste it later on. So, hold on for that because I think my pan is so hot now. So, I have to fry my tilapia. Then you just have to mix it very well until you achieve the color that you want. So, I think we have to add more because it's so more. That's how we do it. A little bit of soy sauce again. And then ketchup. And then more sugar. So it seems like we're just playing, right? Just a trial and error. You just keep on tasting it until you were able to finish all of those. So later, together with this sauce is the white onion, carrots, and bell pepper. So we're just going to mix them up later. Just gonna saute all of them together. And then to make the sauce thick, we have to add cornstarch. So she was still thinking about the spelling of this, if it's correct or not. So probably it was you, and then she just changed it into A. So that makes her confused about cornstarch. Alright, so that's it. So we're done with the sauce. Would you like to taste this? It's so Yan yan. Bye!